In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can submit your website sitemap on Bing Webmaster tools. So it's very much simple and easy. If you want your website to be indexed on Bing, so it appears in search results of Bing, Yahoo, and the rest, you need to submit your sitemap here for it to be indexed. So you just need to create a Microsoft Bing Webmaster tool, and then after creating your account, this is how the home page looks like. So you just tap on this to the sitemap section, and then you tap on this to submit your sitemap. Now you copy your link and then you paste it here. So it depends on the content management system you are using. If you are using WordPress, try to get the link. If you are using Blogger, to try to get the link and then come and submit it here. It's very much important to submit your link here after you update your content on your website so it gets indexed. So just like on other sites, you can also review site inspection to see whether your pages are being indexed or not. So that's it on how you can submit your sitemap of your website on Bing Webmaster so you can be indexed and can appear in search results of Yahoo, Coursera, and the rest. If you're new here, try to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.